Okay, a couple of more functions, and then we'll move on. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Table calculation. So here you have for rank, you see that there are several possible rank functions. You can study these. It's pretty simple. Like when you have ties, how do you rank them? So that's what this rank dense, rank modified, rank percentile, all of those, rank unique, all of those are different variations of rank. And similarly for running computation, you have several of them: running average, running count max, min, and running sum. So let's do running average. So running average, and then you have an expression. Okay, so say now let's do a sum of profit. Right. So then let's get rid of this. We don't need and let's move profit to detail and test computation to label. All right. So, all right. So now compare this against the original one. So you see you're doing a running average. So the first one is first one itself, because there is only one item. So the item is the average. The second one is the average of these two. That's that. The third one is the average of those three, and so on, going all the way down like this. Okay, and then start over, because this is table down. The scope, I mean, the compute using table down. The direction of computation is that. Okay. Now, so there are other variations of running. Okay, and then there are some more. We will do window average. Window average is that you specify from the current cell, you define a window. Okay, the window can go back a few cells or go down and go down a few cells, or if it is across, then it can go left a few cells and it can go right a few cells. So you define a window. It's like moving average. So you define a window, and then it will find the running. The window average will be moving average in that window. Correlation, count, these are all within the defined window. Those computations are made. Correlation, you have to specify two expressions, because correlation is between two variables. Okay, so let's say window, well, clear that. So window average. Okay, now we have to have an expression first, say sum of profit, right? And then you have to specify two numbers, okay, start and end. Suppose if I have -1 and 1, so that means it will go back 1 and go forward 1, and it can be any number that you want. So calculation is valid. So click OK. Now that's what you get. So what's going to happen here is, for the first one, right, you can't go back 1. There is nothing back, so it doesn't get included. So it only takes the +1 side, and average of these two is displayed. For here, all right, so there is -1 and +1. So these three numbers are averaged, and then you get that.